Most people are still using AI completely wrong. They open ChatGPT or Claude, type one prompt, get one answer, and then start over again the next time. It feels productive, but it is not scalable. Because every time you do that, you are rebuilding the same thinking from scratch. Same steps, same structure, same process. You are not creating leverage. You are just repeating yourself faster. Anthropic just dropped something that helps fix this. It is called routines inside Claude, and this is a much bigger deal than it looks like at first. This is the shift from prompts to systems. Think about how you actually use AI during the day. Let's say you are writing a LinkedIn post. First, you ask for ideas. Then you refine them. Then you ask it to write. Then you tweak the tone. Then maybe you shorten it. Then you rewrite the hook. Then you ask for a stronger CTA. That is not one prompt. That is a workflow. But most people rebuild that workflow from scratch every single time. That is the inefficiency nobody talks about. Routines lets you save the process, not just the output. So instead of saying, write me a LinkedIn post, you create a repeatable workflow Claude can run again and again. For example, your routine could say, research the topic, generate 5 angles, pick the strongest one, write the post in my voice, tighten the hook, cut the fluff, and add a call to action. That is a real system. Now, imagine clicking one button and all of that just runs. That is a completely different way to use AI. This is where it starts to feel less like a chatbot and more like a junior operator. And if you've been following tools like Claude Cowork, this is an important next layer. You have AI that can take action, and now you have AI that can follow repeatable systems. That is where real leverage starts. But here's what most people will still get wrong. They will use routines, but they will use them badly. They will save messy prompts, vague instructions, and weak workflows, then wonder why the results are inconsistent. The leverage is not in the feature itself. It is in how well you design the system. If your thinking is sloppy, your routine will be sloppy. If your workflow is clear, the output gets a whole lot better. So here's how I would actually use this. Start by identifying anything you repeat more than twice. Content creation, research, meeting prep, client deliverables, follow-up emails, anything with a predictable set of steps is a candidate. Then break it down honestly. Not what you think you do. What do you actually do every time? What inputs do you need? What order do the steps happen in? What output do you want at the end? Then turn that into a structured routine with clear inputs, clear steps, and a clear output format. The more specific you are, the more reliable the result. This is the same principle as good prompting, just now reusable. And that is the bigger shift here. Not better prompts, better systems. The people who win with AI are not going to be the ones who know the most tools. They'll be the ones who build the best repeatable workflows. So if you are still opening AI and starting from scratch every single time, you are already playing the game the hard way. Start thinking in systems, start building workflows, start using AI like something you design. And if you want to see what this looks like in the real world, I can break down a few actual routines I would build for content, research, and client work so you can start using this immediately. If you're serious about using AI like an operator, not just a user, follow me. I'll show you how to build systems that actually save you time.